Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about Whirlpool COVER-EVAP part #W11167902. Whirlpool COVER-EVAP part #W11167902 is a replacement evaporator cover for Whirlpool refrigerators. This part is used to cover the evaporator coils in the refrigerator, which helps to keep the cold air inside and prevent warm air from entering. The part is made of durable plastic and comes with mounting screws for easy installation. It fits most Whirlpool refrigerators and is an OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part. This part helps to keep your refrigerator running efficiently and can help to extend its life. This part fixes the following symptoms. This part is used to replace the evaporator cover on Whirlpool refrigerators. It does not fix any symptoms, but is a necessary part for replacing the evaporator cover. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the refrigerator from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws that secure the evaporator cover to the back wall of the refrigerator. 3. Lift off the evaporator cover and set aside. 4. Place the new Whirlpool COVER-EVAP part #W11167902 onto the back wall of the refrigerator, aligning it with the holes in the wall. 5. Secure it with screws, making sure they are tight but not over-tightened. 6. Plug in your refrigerator. And you're done. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.